Hi, welcome to another Online Marketing Core video. I'm your host, Ramon Tarruella, and today I'm going to talk about benefits of marketing online for beginners. Marketing requirements are the precise same no matter how gigantic or modest your business is. Number 1, brand the product. Number 2, decide on who actually your audience is. Number 3, achieve the profits. Number 4, produce repeat customer. Web marketing is very successful in taking care of all 4 of all these recommendations. Internet marketing defined. The outline of online marketing is setting your business or product on the cyberspace for millions of buyers to discover so that you may transform your website straight to a successful tool to boost your revenues and business capacity. Although website marketing is considerably more than position your advertising and marketing online. Marketing techniques online incorporate such areas as communicating with your clients, offering your business or product online, and ensuring that your site content is practical and current. A tremendous issue with reference to internet marketing is that you don't need to have an enormous spending plan to put together a marketing plan that is strong. There are certain skills that you can certainly use to make your marketing tactics fast and worthwhile, such web page theme, shopping cart layouts, and internet marketing templates. There are plenty of essential details to consider ahead of you getting into the techniques of web marketing. These are: Number 1, communication. A significant part of web marketing is how you answer to your consumers' email. You don't want to get rid of possible buyers immediately after you have made the effort and hard work to have them stop by your internet site and then communicate with you for extra information. Email is a highly good and cost-efficient technique for you to obtain more sales. The primary factor to this success is consistency. You need to be frequent in the response to your consumers. You will equally desire to be sure that the tone of your email fits with the tone you have set in place in your site content. Number 2, human resources. If you're trying to have great results online, you need to have plenty of professionals working for you. Useful website combine a personalized touch with an efficient response time to clients. Your target is to convert the prospects to your web page into buyers. The normal time for a return email is from 48 to 72 hours. If you relay any a bit longer to email back, you risk sacrificing the buyer. This translates to that if you don't hold the manpower to return email in 2 or 3 days, you're required to take one other look at your campaign approach. Number 3, products persons decide to buy online. Ahead of you start off marketing on the web, you need to make sure that you have actually a product or service that visitors wish to acquire. Buyers will need to come across a real value in what you are trying to sell. There are 2 stimulating points the moment it comes to selling on the web: cost and convenience. Consult yourself if clients will find it less complicated to purchase online than finding a public retailer. Is it more affordable for them to get this from you on the net? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join my 100% free internet marketing mini course at www.onlinemarketingcore.com.